1,
2,
3,
4.
Monster movie.
Fun time, go! Monster movie.
Fun time, go. Monster
Movie.
fun time.
Go!
Monster movie. Fun time, go.
With Precious D and Honey Bee.
Fun time, go!
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, friends and neighbors. This is Precious D, the Monster Movie Fun Time Ago, and I thought we'd try something a little different today. An unboxing. I got this thing from Stylin Boxes. It came across my Instagram feed. They sell licensed mystery boxes, and they have a whole bunch of them. They got Marvel and DC heroes. They've got Harry Potter's. They've got some video game characters. There was a Doctor Who one. There was a Labyrinth one that was all sold out. But they targeted this Godzilla one at me. It was $66, but $10 off and free shipping with the promo code Mothra. They didn't send this to me. I paid for it myself. I have no idea what kind of stuff is in it, but let's open it up and take a look. So it came to me via Amazon. They use Prime to do their shipping. So I guess if you have Prime, the shipping's free anyway. I don't know. But it came in a great big Amazon box. This is a little banged up, but I'm not someone who's going to obsess over whether the box itself is perfect. It does have this nice handle on it. So if you want to keep the box to store everything in, it's got this sturdy plastic handle. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, let's take a look at the box real quick, though. It's got, because they put a lot of effort into the art on the box. We got this Godzilla print on the top, and then on each of the sides we have these. Look kind of like a Hokusai painting or print. I think there's a Godzilla. There's a Mothra, a Mecha Godzilla, and a King Ghidorah on the sides of the boxes. So, first thing we have looks like a big old fleece blanket that says King of the Monsters on it. So let's put the box aside so we can look at that. Alright, let's just not waste time, just cut this sucker open. A 45 by 60 fleece blanket. I assume it has this print on it. Let's cut the little plastic tabs off. Gotta cut the other side off. I hate these things. All right, put that aside. Open this blanket up. It's very colorful looking. Godzilla, King of the Monsters. Hold it up a little bit. All right, so that is going to be going straight on my bed. Not quite big enough to cover the whole bed, I think, but let's go ahead and lay it out here. And we'll open up the other things on top of it. King of the Monsters. Well, that's lovely. The back side is just plain white. Very soft. Very fluffy. All right, let's see what else we got here. This is a Godzilla air freshener. I'll hold that up to the camera. Little sort of a chibi Godzilla air freshener. Vanilla scented. That will be going straight into my car. Over there. This is a Godzilla Yubi's figurine mystery inside. Which one will you get? Well, let's open it up and find out. Now, they say these boxes that you're getting about $20 more than what you'd pay for if you bought them individually. And of course, if you use that coupon, you'll get $30 more. It looks like Godzilla himself. This is a little hollow rubber. It's got a little hole in the bottom there. Little figurine. On the back, it shows we've got 1954 Godzilla, 2 versions. 95, couple 95 Godzillas, 2001, 2004, 2014. It looks like two versions of each of those. Not entirely sure which one this is meant to be. I think, yes, this is the 2001 Godzilla. Okay. Put him next to the air freshener. Okay, what is this thing? This is a Godzilla ramen bowl with chopsticks. Huh. Okay, this box is a little banged up. Looks like part of it's actually missing. Alright, the chopsticks are blue and metal. The bowl has Godzilla on it, shooting his atomic breath on both sides, and there's a little slot here for your chopsticks. All right. I don't eat a lot of ramen these days because I have a job. We all probably had to eat some when we were younger. Occasionally I do have some at work. I don't know that I would take this bowl at work just to eat a cup of noodles in. But that's a nice product though if you do like Asian noodles or ramen noodles. That's a, let's just put him right there. Guessing you'd pay a fair amount for that if you bought it in the store. Okay, here we have a heat-changing mug. This is, it says Godzilla King of Monsters heat-changing mug, Monsterverse, and it's got a 65th anniversary picture on it, 1954 to 2019. Let's open it up and take a look. So, this is what it looks like. Gold. We'll put some hot water in that in a minute and see how it changes colors. And there's only one thing left. Godzilla enamel pins. This is a Godzilla and Mothra set. This is the same image that is on the ramen bowl. The Godzilla image is the same one that is on the ramen bowl. Okay, So these are enamel, looks like glycinine pins from Surreal Entertainment. Two of them, Godzilla and Mothra. And that is everything in the box. So I'll leave it to you to decide whether that was worth $55 to $65. I'm guessing this ramen bowl is probably pretty pricey. It's also from Surreal Entertainment. I quite like the blanket. Is it also the same? No, it's a slightly different image, but it still breathes atomic breath on it. So there you go, folks. That is our first unboxing. I don't know if we'll do any others. I don't know. I'm going to spend this. I think when the Labyrinth Stylin Box was sold out. When that is back in stock, I will think about buying that one. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, I'm supposed to tell you to like and subscribe. And check out our actual podcast, Monster Movie Fun Time Go, on all your podcasting platforms. This has been Precious D, and thank you for watching.
You've been listening to Monster Movie Fun Time Go. If you enjoyed the show, please rate and review us on your podcasting platform of choice. Our theme song is by the Texicano Folk Rock Punk featuring Lita Lopez. You can support the show, find links to our social media, and even leave us a voice message at anchor.fm/MMFTG.
I forgot to do the heat-activated mug, so here it is. With the hot water in it, it all gets blue. That's about it, really. Goes from black to various shades of blue.